What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new unboxing, installation, and demo review video here for you today. I just received this package from my friends at Kemimoto. If you don't know Kemimoto, they are a very popular brand among the e-bike community, especially here in New York City. They make everything you could think of: lighting systems, heated gear, parts for your bike like mirrors, bags. One of the greatest things that I got from them was a battery bag that I used to use on my Zeus Ultraflex. It's awesome. It's padded. It's safe from impact. You know, like not going to damage your battery if you get hit. They make great stuff. So they sent me this. It's kind of like a saddlebag. Goes on your bike rack, and well, let me just get into it. It sounds and looks great. Expandable, and it looks very nicely made with lots of different compartments for your tools and things like that. Let's get right into it. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. All right, let me take this out, get the box out of here. Let's do a little overhead of all the compartments. Kemimoto, baby. Okay, get this open here. Get this out. Unboxing and then unbagging. And here we go. Let's get this, fluff this up a little bit so we can see all of the different zipper compartments. Wow, this is really nicely made. Just a quick first impression is high quality. You've got some bungee type material here, some handles. This whole top compartment zips. Yeah, let me tip it this way. You can see there's a whole zipper around the whole top outside here. And then as we get inside, let's see if we can see. We have, this is a waterproof like bag, almost like a shower cap that you could put over the entire thing and keep it dry from rain, which is awesome. Inside, we have a little silica gel pack to keep things dry. This is a shoulder strap right here. This is your assembly instructions, which we're gonna check out in a little bit. Inside also we have some Velcro edged dividers. So if you want to wall off the inside, you can do something like this and separate the interior into different compartments, and this velcros right to the walls on the top or bottom, wherever you want, to make sections inside. Very convenient, very cool. Let's move to the outside now and see what kind of compartments we have all along the exterior. This here zips up, open, and you can see inside here, this is like a saddlebag. It is completely expandable. And inside there is another zip. Look at that. There's so much room in there. That is so cool. On this side here, we have a little hook. We have a bottle holder. And there's also a loop here for you to put a carabiner on. Other side is going to be much the same as the other. This is cool too. There's loops and hooks and other little things down here on the expanded saddlebag side. Double zippers, so you can position the zippers wherever you want. Very cool. And then on the fourth side here, we have strap hookups, another loop here. This also is expandable as well, this entire top part. Look at that. You just added like 4 inches. It's just like suitcase luggage, you know, like those expandable suitcases. So let me keep this actually fully expanded so we can see everything. Yeah, in the bottom here, This is going to be how you actually connect the entire thing to your bike rack. There's some Velcro hook and loop straps here in both directions, you know, so that you can utilize all the different crossbars and pieces of your rack to keep this in place sturdy and stable. This is so cool, man. Look at that. Love it. Love it. All right, so now I'm going to try to put this on the bike. I'm going to put this on my Tonneray bike. That's the only bike I have now with a rack on it. I'm not running a rack on the Zoos anymore. After I sold the Ultraflex, I went back to the regular Ultra Urban, and I don't like the rack on that. So no rack on that, no rack on the Mini X, no rack on the Chimera. So the only spot I can really put it and make use of it is on my Tonneray. And so I know this is a little bit like wider front to back than my Tonneray rack. My Tonneray rack probably comes to about here, but I think I can edge this up a little bit onto the back seat a couple of inches and kind of squash it down, and I think it should work. So let's get it on there and see what we're working with. So before I install this on the Tonneray, I'm just going to get this back into the most compact version of itself possible, which means I'm gonna zip up the saddlebag sides, and I'm also going to compress the top. As you saw earlier, this zipped out to be about 4 inches higher on top. Lots of added room inside. You can also see that on the top flap there is even a mesh basket and a little sleeve here. A lot of different compartments for you to put things. Very cool. So let's get this back to the smallest format, which is this right here. This almost looks like the size of my battery bag. Very cool. I just noticed this, which is really cool too. The handles on top can Velcro closed, so it's just unified one handle instead of two. Very simple but effective thing. All right, now let's get it on. So I've got the bag here positioned on the bike. I still have to take the seat pad off, but it looks like it's gonna fit okay on here, and there's definitely enough crossbars for this to hook and loop Velcro in place nice and secure. One thing I thought of as I was looking through the bag again, these saddlebags are great. It would be so cool if you can zip them completely out. If you don't want the saddlebag and you just want the side compartment, the saddlebag itself, when it folds up, does take up a lot of room inside the side compartment. So it would be cool if these unbuttoned or zipped out completely. That would be really cool. That would be an additional added bonus feature for this. The only thing I could say to improve this just based on the first look. So the first thing I have to do is get this seat pad off, which is 4 little screws with a Phillips head screwdriver and then one with an Allen. This will expose all of the different bars and cross pieces on the rack, and I'll be able to install the bag much easier than trying to put it on over this seat. There's 4 screws and then one with the Allen, which is right here. It's already moving. Okay. All right, so that does it. Gave it a little test spin. Super easy to fasten into place with the Velcro hook and loop strap system. Very easy, very intuitive. No instructions needed. It's just kind of self-explanatory. Very happy with this. Can't wait to load it up with all my tools and bike gear and ride around with it worry-free. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.